The condensate system is an equipment that transfers condensed water to the entrance of the deaerator after making exhausted steam of the LP turbine and the feed water pump drive turbine into cooled and condensed water using the circulating water. The condensate system consists of two condensate extraction pumps, the deaerator, number 1, 2, 3 LP feed water heaters, connected pipes and instruments. Condensed water which is collected in the hot well of the condenser is sent to the grand steam condenser after being pumped by the condensate extraction pump. Condensed water which passed the grand steam condenser is supplied to the deaerator by going through number 1, 2, 3 LP feed water heaters. The feed water system is an equipment that transfers feed water to the boiler economizer from the deaerator. The feed water system consists of boiler feed water pumps, number 5, 6, 7 HP feed water heaters, and connected pipes. Feed water in the deaerator feed water tank is stored in deaerator storage tank temporarily after eliminating dissolved oxygen and non-condensable gas by the extraction turbine. Feed water in the deaerator feed water tank is supplied to the boiler economizer after being heated by the extraction turbine through number 5, 6, 7 HP feed water heaters after entering booster pumps and pumping to main pumps along the downcomer pipes.